Alright guys, let's look at the date and time. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 6:48 p.m. The temperature is 76.1 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 18:49. The temperature is 76.1 degrees Fahrenheit.
And today, do not believe Mrs. Clock's temperature. It is hot. Or just not hot, but a few degrees warmer than 76.1 degrees. That is what we will be talking about, which we'll get to in just a second. It's 80 degrees in here. Don't worry about that temperature. That temperature lies you. I normally keep this that way I can know the temperature in here. It's 80 degrees in here. Alright, well, whoa, jeez. Mid-Atlantic EAS fan, it's only Mid-Atlantic EAS, I meant. But yeah, let's just, the camera was charging before, so let's just put it back on the charger for now. Right in front of you is the Emerson SmartSet CKS1708 alarm clock. And I'm going to go close that one blind, maybe you can see better. Alright, that should be work. Alright, so, I don't want to get too involved, but we're going to start. So this is the Emerson CKS, I don't know if it says it down here or not. The Emerson CKS1708. I don't think it says it's anywhere down here, but this is a CKS1708 alarm clock, which is made by Emerson SmartSet. So right here is the time button. You hold down time to change the time. You hold down the time button, and you press the up and down arrows to change the time button. See how I'm doing it? And one more thing, I don't have to change the hour because when I hold down the time button and I press the up button, it changes the hour for me. So there we go. What's it at 6:50? We're 18:50 for now. Next button up is a date and store. Date is where it shows today's date, July 29th, which is a weekly test day. Wednesday. That's right. Week. Week doesn't do anything, but there it is down here. Well, actually, I can't. Technically, week does. It lets you choose the alarm. And time zone. I'm in Eastern time, so if we would change that with the up and down arrow tune buttons. We'd change that. So 01 is whatever time zone that is. Eastern time zone's number 2. Central time zone's number 3. Mountain time zone's number 4. Pacific time zone's number 5. I'm not sure about this one. I guess it's Alaskan time is number 6. And Hawaii time is number 7. We're going to go back to Eastern time. Alright, now, for the AM/FM functions, this does have AM/FM. My local station, oh yeah, I bet so, so yeah. This also has a memory, so that way, if you want, you can choose the time zone. It allows you, and it's with P1 if I press that. And it could change to 99.9.
That day, and the ticket turned out.
Some stations work I can get. But yeah, we're gonna keep it on there. We're gonna silence that just in case. Just so you know, the tune buttons actually change the radio station. So as you can see, it's changing the radio station. I can't get WQXA. We're going to change that to 1077. Sleep timer. It has a sleep timer attached to it. Sleep timer. When you press that, it'll activate the sleep timer. And holy crap. I'm going to change it, turn it down. What you do is hold down a sleep timer. Whoops. And you can change the minutes and how long you want the sleep timer to go. It can go, I don't know how it can go up to. Let's see how far it can go up to. 50 minutes up so far. Let's see what happens here. 70 minutes, let's see, 75, 80, see, 80, 90, 90 minutes. It goes up to 90 minutes. Now we're going to shut that off. Okay, now, alarm times. As you know, hold down a sleep timer, and you press the tune buttons for those to change that. Alarm buttons, we have alarm 1 and alarm 2. So yeah, here we go. Alarm 2. But we're going to have alarm 2 go off for the buzzer. I'm not going to do the radio. If I can make it. We'll have it go off for 6:54. Don't know if I'm able to make it, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll set it to 55. But what you do is hold down alarm 2 button and the volume button. Press the tune up 1 to change the minute. So there we go. And for the alarms, you can choose either only weekdays, Saturday and Sunday, so weekends, or every day. I just like to keep it on the default setting on however it was. So the radio will now go off for the buzzer. Should be going any second now. There it goes. Pardon me. Ugh. And there you go. There's alarm 2. We can't actually press the alarm button to snooze that. See? The way you snooze it is the snooze button. And yes, we can turn it off. Now we'll do alarm 1. Now alarm 1, you do the same thing. Hold down the alarm 1 button. And use the tune buttons to change the time up or down for the alarm. We're going to set it for 6:56 if we can make it. And that didn't work, so we'll set it to 6:57. But yeah, same thing. Yep, this is going quick. Going to be a little bit quick. So I'll let you guys see the alarm. I want to make sure this is on. This will go off. There we go. There, I just wanted to make sure it's going to go off. There it goes. And as you can see, it gets louder. Same thing, we can't press the alarm button to stop it. See, it doesn't do anything. Here's the sound of the Sure alarm quick. There's the Sure alarm sound. Snooze that, and again, push the alarm buttons, snooze the alarm. Now, we have some stuff in the back here. This is actually a charging cable. So this thing, excuse me, this Emerson can actually charge the camera that I'm currently using. If I can get the charging port in there. And as you can see, the camera is now, or the clock is now charging my camera. If I can get the thing back in there. There we go. This also has an auxiliary port right there. So that way you can plug your USB, I guess. I'm not sure what you would call it, but connector, or USB connector into the charging, or not the charging, but the hole right there for the auxiliary port. And you're able to play stuff off of your phone or iPad or iPod or whatever you got. Now, one more thing. The dimmer switch. Snooze button. I have 3 different dimmers. As you can see, this is dimmest. I don't like that because it does that weird thing to the camera. But, there we go. And also, this thing has a backup battery, which is located right here. That's where the backup battery is. And if I unplug the clock, which I am going to right this instant, you saw it go out. We'll tip it over so that way you guys can see. Alright. Can't see yet, because the clock still has to reset itself, but it can reset itself. We'll unplug it and watch the clock go out if I'm fast enough. Okay. There goes the clock. Now watch this. And that is cool. Well, there we go. There's the Emerson clock. CKS1708 model. That was a vid of the clock, and I sure hope you enjoyed, and that will be it.